Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a fabulous for you. We are going to dive into a world of Indian ethnic wear with the stunning royal Georgette brush print handwork saree. Price is just 799. Yes, you heard it right, 799 rupees for sheer elegant and luxury. Now let's unboxing this beautiful and see what it's hold as we unwrap it. You can see the vibrant color and intricate detail on this saree. The brush print gives it a modern touch. Well, the handwork it an authentic and traditional feel. It's truly a harmonious blend of old and new. Once we unfold the saree, you will notice the soft and smooth texture of the Georgette fabric. Its premium quality ensuring comfort throughout the day. The length and width are perfect, wrapping beautifully over any body type. Whether you are attending wedding, festive and any special occasion, this saree will make you the stand out from the crowd. The royal blue and gold combination is absolutely breathtaking. It's exudes elegance and sophistication. The brush print created a captivating pattern, enhancing the overall appeal. The handwork meticulously done add a touch of grandeur to the saree. It's a masterpiece in what do you think is not this saree a true gem? And the best part, it's available at unbelievable price of just 799 rupees. Where else can you find such a steal? Grab this beauty now before it's gone. Thank you so much for watching our unboxing review and royal Georgette brush printer handwork saree. Price at 799. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing fashion finds. Stay stylish and we will see you in the next video, guys. If you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you for watching.